description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. This one comes by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thank you very much. This is K-Town Hula Ramyun. I don't know who makes this. It's distributed by a company back east in New Jersey. So let us commence with the making of the stuff. Our flake, our ramyun, and our powder base, which does include beef in it, which is semi-interesting. All right, and we're off to the races. Yeah. And I'm going to turn this down so it doesn't boil over. And I can't believe it. It's not even 10 a.m. and I'm on my third. Look at that. So today is the 22nd day of the July month in 2025. All anybody's talking about is Jeffrey Epstein. And I don't know, I think it's going to be another one of those. I think it's going to turn out, yes, indeed, Trump was really good friends with him, and yes, indeed, he went to his island and flew on his airplane, and all this stuff, and nothing will happen. Because when it comes right down to it, they have allowed him to get away with a lot of stuff. You have to watch out for those who justify. Yeah. Don't be the guy who spills the soup, and even more, don't be the guy who gets the soup spilled on him. Yep. There was this thing on Buy Nothing, this really neat waterproof Bluetooth speaker, right? Granted, I'm not low on Bluetooth speakers, that's for absolutely certain. But it was on the Buy Nothing group. If you look it up, look around you, you might find a Buy Nothing group on Facebook, and it's a place where you can get rid of stuff, and where people who are getting rid of stuff can give it to you. And I've gotten a lot of stuff. I got an arcade machine, I've gotten a laptop, I've gotten a Surface tablet, I've got a ton of stuff. I've just been really lucky with it, it's nice. And there was this Bluetooth speaker, it's a Monster Roam 2, and it's like at least 5 or 6 years old. Open box, but never used. And a bunch of people commented, "Oh my God, please consider, this is so rad. What a beautiful gift." You know, stuff like that. And that's kind of a common thing. People will ingratiate themselves to no end on the person giving away the item. I try to be a little more subtle. I say that I'd really like to be considered in what I would use it for. Anyways, the lady who was giving it away, after a whole bunch of people asked for it, she said, okay, pick a number between 1 and 30. Whoever's closest will win. Well, I picked 6. And there was a guy who picked 7. And that guy won. And then at like 11 p.m. last night, this lady had been trying to contact this guy, right? She couldn't get a hold of him. So I won. Which I was like totally like over wishing I could get it. And I won. So, yay. She's like, I just want this thing out of my house. I've been trying to contact this guy for like a whole 24 hours and they won't respond. I'm like, oh, yeah, I'll take it. Well, when can you pick it up? I'm like, well, it would have to be on Thursday. And my daughter has 2 games, and we wouldn't be able to add that into our busy life schedule. And apparently she's going to drop it by here, so you'll get to see that on the show tomorrow, possibly. So that's kind of neat. Noodle. So, Hula Ramyun. I am curious about this. I really have no idea who makes this. This could be a Samyang product. This could be Paldo. This could be Nongshim. This could be Otogi. It's like there's no way to know. I mean, the noodle block is round, but plenty of companies have round noodle blocks, so. The noodle's good. I don't know exactly what makes this Hula. I was thinking, is it going to taste like pineapple? It's good. It's your standard spicy beef ramen. I don't know what else to call it. I mean, I'm not getting that strong bitterness that Shin has on the back, so I don't think this is theirs. It's pretty good. But, you know, if you like Shin, you'd probably like this. But I know a lot of you, see, a lot of you really like Shin, and that's fine. But there's so many other varieties to try. No, I'm not trying anything else. Shin or nothing. Yeah, okay. I get that a lot. It's like, okay, well, I'll just keep trying all these interesting varieties and having new things to taste. You just do the same thing over and over and be inflexible. I don't know, it really bugs me. Anyways, enough of that. Enough of that and some of this. Oh. It's a big slice. I swear one of these days, one of these bowls is just gonna crack. And that's not gonna be a fun day. That would really, really be crummy. Oh, it's my least favorite song on here. Guess I'll use the last of my scallion. buddy, work with me. Don't roll. Oh, you're being good. Appreciate it. I was going to use Narutomaki, but I didn't thaw any out, so I shan't. And I think pepper thread is definitely a necessity on this one. Right like that. So you might be like, but that egg is raw. It's like, yes, it's raw, but when you have these raw eggs, you stir them in and mix the broth a little better. There we go. What do you think? Good? Enjoy. Well, that's it for me for today. I don't know what I'm going to be doing next, but if you keep watching these shows, you'll keep seeing more stuff. You're probably getting close to Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to all of y'all. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like and subscribe. It's kind. Have a good one.